Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the stomach. Number 1. The stomach is a part of the digestive system. Number 2. It is an internal organ. Number 3. It is a muscular organ. Number 4. The stomach is J-shaped. Number 5. It is located below the ribs. Number 6. It digests food. Number 7. It produces enzymes. Number 8. It helps break down proteins with enzymes. Number 9. It contributes to the feeling of hunger by sending signals to the brain when empty. Number 10. It breaks down food into a liquid mixture that moves to the small intestine. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.